Big day on deck today?
Great day, big day, everything supersonic. It's going to be massive. It is going to be large.
Big day today?
Big day today. The tenders are coming out and the portside carrier, we're removing it. The tender's going to a better place.
Okay, so it is actually a very big day on deck today. We are getting rid of one of the tenders. We've got 2 tenders on board at the moment, so getting rid of one of them completely, including the carrier car, relaying a whole bunch of teak and making it like a really nice space. I'll tell you why and what comes with that a little bit later, but right now I'm on my way to the chiropractor. I've mentioned it before, I've been off work for a total of 2 weeks, deemed unfit for work, and I got another 3 or 4 chiropractic sessions to see for my lower back. So like I said, grey hair and a chiropractor, 26. I don't really know what's done it to me. Selling real estate, making a vlog channel, working on boats. No, one of them.
So you're a photographer, huh?
Yes, sir.
Takes time, lots of ice in, as much horizontal as possible. Yep.
Okay, so the idea is to try and get rid of as much of what's in the back of the tender garage as possible, so that they can start the renovations and works. Basically, like I've said, we're getting rid of one of the tenders. Now we need 2 tenders, so this should be leading up to basically what's coming next. Arience has purchased a new chase boat, not just a tender, a beautiful boat. I got to find out how much I can talk about it first, but the company is a Weir. We'll have the 38-foot in the beginning until the 55 is being built, so a lot going on. It is a beautiful boat coming. It's really going to suit Arience nicely. Pays to be a chef sometimes, eh?
Hey, once in 8 years, that's not too bad.
Where are you going?
Off to Baltimore, eat some food.
How?
You'll see in a second.
What's the plan when you get there?
So I'm being taken to Baltimore to taste the boss's food, what he likes to eat, so I can get a good feel of what he wants, and hopefully enjoy myself a little bit.
Nice. So physically actually look at the dishes and then try and replicate them when on board?
Yeah, pretty much copy exactly what he likes to eat on which restaurants. So,
makes sense.
Should be good.
This is your plane, just so you guys. We're getting off.
Catch you later. Man. Have a good trip.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Great, thank you. We can get in your hold, right?
I'm sorry? Sure, no problem.
Thanks.
No problem.
Safe flight. What a plane. So what do you reckon? You overpromise on the first day of being a chef, or you kind of slide in halfway because then you can still rise up and below?
Well, you don't go. What? You don't do your full amount the first.
You don't go. You don't do your full amount.
That's too high expectations.
I agree. Good morning everybody, Friday morning, it's a day off after a bus trip. I had the drone up early this morning to snap a few photos of the boat for a VIP party invitation invite, but this next sequence to end the vlog off is just of the boys tearing it up on the hydrofoils. A nice way to start the long weekend off.
Hi YouTube. No.
Yeah.
What should I say? Hello YouTube. Hi YouTube. I'm Leandri at Chef Leandri on Insta. I'm taking you. I don't know what I'm doing actually. What am I doing?